This is the chart of Beyonce. Beyonce was born on September 4, 1981, 10 a.m., Houston, USA. I think she was born in Texas, so you can change it to Texas. Houston, Texas. You say it okay. So there is not much difference. So first I'll tell you how to see a Vedic chart. So you see here it is Virgo rising, and we see how 4 planets are there in her first house. I mean, these 4 planets are making it sure that she becomes the world's most famous personality. She is perfectionist, and we can see that Mercury is in her own sign and in the own house. So when Mercury is in the first house, the person looks very young, and the person is very good looking. uh, she why she was dark? Because you see Saturn here. Whenever Saturn is aspecting the Lagna or looking the moon or associating with the first house or the first lord, the person will be of dark good looks, because we have Mercury here. Mercury gives a certain charisma to the face. So what we know here is she has debilitated Venus, but we all know that Venus is debilitated in Virgo. But we know why there is a exchange happening, because Mercury is exalted in Virgo. So exalted Mercury is cancelling the effect of debilitated Venus, and for this native for the Virgo natives, Venus is the lord of second house. So initially there might be a lot of struggle in her life while growing up. She might have to work very hard in terms of practicing or in terms of singing, and which we all know that she was a very hardworking child. She was sure always that she has to sing. Mercury also gives the talent of singing. Of course, this Mercury is so powerful, and the lord of the third lord of singing, it has Mars here. Mars is with the Rahu, which amplifies this talent, and she has this emotional voice which can make everybody happy, because Cancer is a sign of people. So her third lord is debilitated in Cancer with Rahu. So there must be something very conventional about her voice, because you see Mars is now ruling her third house of voice. And where is the lord going? Where is the lord of Cancer going? It is going again in the Libra, which is again the sign of singing, and that is going in second house. Moon is very happy in second house. She again, when you have to see the facial feature of somebody, you can see the number of malefics which are there in the first house. Sorry, I mean second house. You see second house has beautiful Libra sign, and then second house also has a very soft planet, which is Moon. That's why she is so beautiful. I mean, she has that attractive charisma that uh, anybody can get attracted towards her. This was her appearance, and this was her the whole part why she is so famous, because ninth lord is in first house, which is again a Raj Yoga. 10th lord is in first house. Second lord is in first house. So there are so many planets which are making it possible for her to be the number one person. Whatever she wants, she gets. And she there is this thing oh, her chemistry with her father. Okay, let's now talk about her chemistry with her father, and why it is she had this she was not very comfortable with her father. And that is because you see the ninth lord Venus is debilitated in Virgo. I mean, though there is exchange happening, though there is a power struggle happening between Mercury and Venus, where Mercury is giving the energy to Venus. You also have to see that this Venus is actually debilitated. The Venus is the lord of her ninth house of father, which is debilitated. Debilitated in the sense is weakened in first house. So Venus being a soft planet will not give you a father who is very uh, who hits you or who who abuses you, but definitely she is not happy. She had, I think maybe her father is alcoholic, because you see Saturn also there. Venus Saturn is very high liquor, very high branded liquor, so that can be the reason that she is not very um, happy with the father's character or father's behavior. And she really, I mean, she supported him. Now you know her father, she has the blessings of her mother, she has the blessings of her father. You know, fourth house is the house of mother, and the lord again is Jupiter, which is in her first house. So whatever singing which she has got is because of her mother. I mean, if you can just pull up religious